front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now tap on All Services here. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. This section will be available in almost all new Samsung devices. In the same place, Google, All Services, and then Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager and hit Accounts at the bottom left corner. Then hit Add Password here and input all of those informations. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log in to any app and wait for the pop-up to show. After you will input your password and hit Login. In this pop-up you will select Save and your password will appear over here. Then you'll be able to add any other one. To do it now, you need to tap on Site, type in whatever you want to, or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!